Take a on interval node and a serial write node. Connect them. Let's configure the UART port by selecting on the pencil icon. Specify the UART port and baud rate. You can further configure the UART port by selecting the TX pin port, TX pin, RX pin port, RX pin, the mode, directions, flow control, word length, parity, and stop bits. Click on Add. Specify the text to print. Click on Done. Now upload the code. Open a serial monitor. Select the COM port. Now you can see the text hello is printing. Let's create another flow. Take a serial read node and place it between these two nodes. Change the on interval time to 0.01 seconds. Specify the UART port and wait for character. This will specify that the UART will read till the character \n is read. After that, it will store the data in the data variable. Click on Done. Select the text as data. Done. Now you can upload the code. Let's open our serial monitor. Select the COM port. Write the text. Click on Send.